Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to add integers using number line. We will be solving two examples in the video. So let's start with the first one. The first example is 9 plus negative 6. So first we'll make number line indicating 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the positive side, and we'll make the same markings on the negative side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our number line is marked. Now first number to add is 9. So we'll start from 0 and move up to 9. So that's 9. This is our 9. We'll draw an arrow here because we are moving on the positive side. And then we have a negative 6. Negative 6 means we are going to move to the other side. 9 is a positive integer and negative 6 is a negative integer. So we are going to move to the other side to add negative 6. So we'll start from 9 and we'll move 6 steps on the opposite side. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are here now. So that's going to be like this. So that is 9. And then we come back to negative 6 and we'll stop here. And the number where we stopped is our answer. So we stopped at 3. So 9 plus negative 6 is equal to 3, and which we have represented on the number line. We can also count the number from here 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's our final answer. So this completes our first question. Let's move on to our second example where we are adding 3 negative numbers. So our number line is marked. The first number to add is negative 1. So we'll start with negative 1, which is on the left hand side of 0. So here we'll start going to be negative 1 like this, 0 to negative 1. And we'll make arrow, and then we have to add negative 2 to negative 1. So we'll start from negative 1 and we'll move 2 spaces to add negative 2. So that's negative 2, that's negative 1. So we stopped at negative 3. Now we have to add a negative 3 to this number. We'll move 3 steps on the same side to add negative 3. That's negative 3. That's negative 3. Here we are going to stop. The number where we stopped is our final answer. So that's going to be negative 6. So negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 6. So this completes our second question. And this is how we add and subtract integers on the number line. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.